Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be quite short, but I wanted to share something with you guys. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been coding all day long, and in general also I usually forget to drink water from time to time. And that obviously affects my health. But me, being the nerd that I am, I did something cool for a change. Let me just go into my directory, wrote this simple shell script. It's literally one, two, three, four, 5 lines of code. I wrote these 5 lines of code to remind me to drink water every, what is half an hour? I want to say half an hour. Wait, it's 60 into 60, so that's no, it's every hour. Okay, so this shell script reminds me to drink water every hour. And as I mentioned before, I'm always on my PC coding something. So it actually really helps me. Plus, just for the lols, I also added this sound to play when it sends the notification. Now, I'm going to play that sound for you. It's this. You know what? Actually, wait. Let me do something better. I'll run the script. So it looks something like this. And now you might be wondering where I got Rick to say that. So there's this really cool website. Wait, I forgot its name. Was it fakeyou.com? I got to know about this from Bugs Writer. Even the script is his technically, even though it's just 2 lines. Yeah. So you go to fakeyou.com, you like literally select any voice, and it's not just this, you have like various different options. And then you type in here whatever you want to say, and then you get basically an AI generated voice. So this is what I did. This is the script. Now, I told you guys this was really like beneficial to me. The interesting thing about this is that one day, for some reason, I tried to kill some other process and I ended up killing this particular script that was running in the background. And because the script was not running, I was not getting hourly notifications, or rather reminders to drink water. But because I had done it for so long, my body actually got used to it, and I noticed myself drinking water subconsciously every hour. So it actually works, guys. And that's why I know not all of you use Linux, and not all of you, are on your PC the entire day. But I know that most of you, if not all, are on your phones the entire day. So I have created this website called drink.nisarg.in. It's a very, very basic ass website. All you have to do is click on this button, allow notifications, and now you will get notification. You will now receive a drink water reminder every hour. That's literally what it does. On your phone, you get all the spam notifications of Reddit, of random news channels for some reasons. This is just one more notification which actually helps you. So make sure to check out my website. It's drink.nisarg.in. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know how you liked this, and comment down below whatever you think about the video, and make sure to subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.